Guys, stay tuned to the end of this video for more videos of this 5.9 liter low mileage Cummins. Also too, it is for sale, not for long though. We do have the ability to ship anywhere in the US. Give us a call or text today. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Behind me is an absolutely gorgeous Cummins. Guys, check it out. This is a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Laramie 4x4 Cummins turbo diesel. Let's check it out. The best thing about it, I'm gonna show you in a second. I want you to look at the odometer first. The truck is a gorgeous white with gray leather, chrome rims. Check this out. This is the best part about the truck. Here. Ready? Look at the odometer. 53,701 maintained miles. Guys, 2 owners, well maintained, 0 accidents. Let's take a look about the truck and we'll go to the inside, then we'll check out the power plant. First and foremost, we're gonna walk around it. The body panels are absolutely beautiful. We had a 3-step or 5-step paint correction done on it. Not that it needed it, but obviously the miles represent what the truck is. It's way above average for this truck. We're gonna go exterior, frame, motor, and then we'll check out the tires and all that stuff. So first, the paint. You can see they're famous for rotten right here, but this is absolutely gorgeous. The truck is beautiful. Brand new headlights. It's got the aftermarket headlights on it. These are the LED with the half halo ring around them headlights. I would say if any on this whole entire truck, maybe 1 or 2 scratches, if that, or a rock chip. You don't even find one. Like, that's how confident I am with this truck. It's beautiful. Let's check it out the sides right here. 4-door short bed. It does have a 4-inch MBRP turbo back exhaust system. The tires, factory wheels and tires, factory wheels. The tires, I want to say, are a good 85, maybe 90%. These are rolling on a Yokohama Geolander all-terrain tire. They're a 265 70 17-inch tire. All 4 corners are awesome tread. And we'll go around to the back side on the other side too. Like I said, 85% all 4 corners, and they're wearing perfect too. It's been aligned. Here's the MBRP. I'll show you the back. I'll show you the bed. MBRP, and as you've seen in the beginning of the video, guys, it sounds absolutely amazing. The truck sounds great, runs, drives good. The tailgate, no scratches, dings, or dents on it. You get the Laramie badge. Pump the bedliner while we're here. 2 brand new batteries, spray and bedliner, 5th wheel hookup, full size spare with a different factory spare rim, but tires brand new. Moving along to the side, it's got the bed rail caps right here surrounding the whole entire bed. These are brand new. It's got aftermarket LED taillights on it, and you can kind of get a close-up how nice they are. They're really nice. They accent the truck very well. This side right here, I mean, you can't, to find one imperfection on this truck, you probably need a magnifying glass, but it's in really good shape. Gas cap still looks beautiful. In driver door, the biggest thing is the cab corners and rocker panels. As you can see here, no rot, no rust. It's just a really good, super clean truck. Way above average for its year. Let's pump the hood, check out the power plant, and then we're gonna move along to the frame. We'll do this video kind of quick so you guys won't lose interest. Here's the power plant. Oh, it's got cab lights and a windshield visor, little thing, sun visor up top right there. Looks tough as hell at night. 24 valve Cummins turbo diesel engine. It's just a really super clean truck, and the engine compartment explains that as well. There you have it. There's the 2 brand new batteries, and we'll go from there. There's nothing really more to say with that. Interior, actually we're at the frame right here. Got to look at the frame. Super clean frame. It is a local Virginia truck, so in my opinion, it's way above average for what it is. You can kind of scope down here too on the back side of the wheel. We'll look at all 4 corners. We'll go to this side, and then we'll check out the interior. Driving it, it drives 80 miles an hour on the highway, super nice. All the back roads, whatever you want to do, cornering, it steers straight as an arrow. And wherever else you want to check out, you can welcome to come here and check it out in person. So if you hop on that side, I'll show you the interior real quick. first and foremost, as soon as you hop in, WeatherTech floor mats in the front, WeatherTech in the passenger, WeatherTech in the driver. Electric trailer brake controller. It's a draw type electric trailer brake, so whatever you're towing with your fifth wheel, or whatever you're gonna be towing, you get it all built in right there. Once again, 53,701 maintained miles. You got a power sunroof right here, a rear sliding manual glass hatch window. You got the third row here, which is cool because you can use it as a console, which I like. If you have your boys and your homegirls, just flip that sucker up, and you get the storage bin underneath. There's all kinds of compartments in here. All your stickers, your original books and manuals, everything's in there. Electric trailer brake or electric pedal adjustment, factory everything else, four-wheel drive, and that's pretty much about it. The truck runs and drives great. The seats, I'm gonna show you guys, power windows and locks. The seats are absolutely impeccable. There's no wear on the corners of the seats, and I'll show you guys. Look real closely right here. Usually a lot of times people sliding in and out, you'll see stress marks or wear marks. There's nothing here. The threads are actually even intact and not frayed. I can't say enough about it. It's hard to find one of these Cummins in as good shape as this is. So we'll go over here and I'll show you guys the rest of the truck and everything, and we'll go from here. If you guys have any questions, call 540-898-3025 or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. Okay, and this truck will be for sale here now. We're posting on the website in about 15 minutes. Check it out. Hope you guys like the video.